Okay, so this is part 2 of the water pump video. So this is the old pump. I got it removed. This is a new pump. So this is what I would suggest. All right, you got let's see, 1, 2, 3 bolts down here, and that is holding on this guy right here. So I got those 3 bolts right there. And these 2 right here are kind of hard to get to. It's not hard to get to. You just gotta they're just hard to see. They're just hard to see. I'll put it like that. That's for your lower hose. Up here, you got 3 bolts, and that is for your upper hose right here. You just pull them 3 bolts out. Take that off right there, that electrical connector, and then I took this air hose out, and it just pops right off. It looks complicated or something like that. Like you might take apart more stuff, but it's not. But you got a series of different inverted torques bolts going all around. So as I removed each one, I put them into their corresponding place on the new water pump, and that's what I was just doing. Now you notice you got one hole right here that's not used, and then you got another one up here that's not used. Those, and then of course that's for your idler pulley. But you want to clean this up real good down here. And this right here, there's a gasket right here. This is a rectangle one that goes right on the back side of here. All right, and then you got this gasket right here for your lower hose, and that's gonna go right here. So make sure you change out those gaskets right there. And of course, you got your new water pump gasket. So you just what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the gasket on the back right here with the bolts, and just put it up to it, and then just tighten it up after I clean this up real good. Okay, this is a 2012 Mercedes E350 doing a water pump. I think, and then pretty much really all you do is just install. The installation is going to be the reverse of the removal, and then this is where you add your coolant to right there. It's got the blue coolant right there. So when I'm putting it back together, if I find anything like some kind of hints or something like that, I'll come back and make a third video as far as the installation goes. But it's pretty cut and dry though.